Hi everyone. This is my second workout since the last one I did. Here I want to tell you guys that I was very happy, excited, and surprised because I was able to jump. I know. Well, for me, it was very exciting. I had more energy. And I took a day off. So that was really cool. I was excited about that and I wanted to share that with you guys. Like you'll see me that I do like jumping jacks and I'm like reaching up, as I jump. And I have no problem doing it. So I was really happy about that. When I did the first one, my first workout, and I there were parts where I had to jump. I would modify it and not jump. I would just do like a little hop. So um I was really happy about that, yeah. And I don't know, I mean, if you are working out too, share with me the improvements that you see, that you notice that your body's getting stronger and yeah, like your progress that you make, share it with me in the comments below. I would really like that. So, the videos that I'm following to do the workouts, I'll put links below so you can see the exercises that I'm doing following those videos. It's cardio videos. And I don't have weight numbers for you, like how much I started weighing before my first workout, how much I weigh now. I don't want to do the weights, because I don't want to be discouraged. I have an idea where I'm at, and and yeah, I'm not gonna be checking the scale every day. Okay, I don't want to do that because I know it's gonna take time, and I don't want to be discouraged. You can weigh yourself if you don't know, so you can compare a month or two from now, how your progress is going. So, in the morning of the day that I'm doing this second workout, I had some oatmeal. It was really good. And I got the recipe from some guys that I follow, Bryan Moscoso, and it's from one of his videos, and his brother is Ronald Moscoso. I really like their videos. And I'll put their links too if you guys want to check them out. They really help me to make better eating choices, which is what I have to do in order for my exercise to give me results. I also have to change my eating habits. So they are some of the people that I follow, get motivation and inspiration from. Um, yeah, so Bryan's video where I got the oatmeal recipe, his video is called "The Real Reason Why I Stopped Vlogging," and it's at 7:38 that the oatmeal recipe is up on, and it's really good. The oatmeal is a good meal because it keeps you full for a long time. So, the only thing is my oatmeal, if you see in the photo, at the beginning of this video, I put, you probably can't tell, but I used milk. Okay, he doesn't use milk because they're vegan. He just makes it with water. You can do whatever you like. The point is to start making healthier eating choices so that you can make them habits, which is what I'm gonna try to do. I am posting videos of recipes of food that is not exactly the healthiest, but um, I don't want to force my family to go on a diet with me, which is why I still cook the food and I make it for them. But I will be posting for you guys um, photos of much healthier choices and ideas of meals that are healthier. Okay, well, thank you for watching, guys, and You have a good day, take care, and I'll see you again in my next video. Remember to like and subscribe, and bye-bye for now.